Where have I been? Well, life happened. And now I'm trying to get this thing alive again. So, what exactly did you guys miss? Well, let me fill you in. After I finished the series of reassembling the engine, I installed the engine back into the bike, plugged in all the wires, and got everything ready to go. Hooked the battery up, and well, nothing happened. Then I performed a leak down test. It turns out that most of my valves are definitely leaking. I took the head off and I tried to lap the valves and hopefully create a good enough seal. Then I reinstalled the head just to find out that it still leaks. Later I decided, well, that's enough of my greasy fingers tampering with everything. I then took the head to get a proper valve job done by a machinist who knows what they're doing. I also got some new valve seals. After I got it back, I put the head back on and performed a leak down test again, and there was definitely an improvement. Maybe a small amount of seepage, but it was pretty acceptable. After getting everything fully together again, I then pressed the button of hope. And well, again, nothing. I also noticed that the neutral switch for the gear selector was not lighting up when the bike was in neutral. So maybe that could be a problem. I'm not sure yet. But anyways, I keep trying to get it to run. I even got some new spark plugs and disassembled and cleaned the carbs, but still nothing. So at this point in time, I am stuck. But I'm not giving up. If anyone has any advice or experienced anything like this, I would love to hear about it. But right now, I'm currently going all over the wiring, connectors, fuses, all that kind of stuff. I'm making sure everything is right where it needs to be, nothing is broken, and I'm going to go over my videos to see if the mechanical side of things are good. This is pretty much just an update to see or to let you guys know where I am. Other than that, thanks for watching, and hopefully there will be more videos coming soon of this thing actually running or problems that I found. So for now, thanks for watching. Hopefully see you soon.